Hey guys, this is
Hi.
JDizzEats, and today we are at Wasagaming, also called Clear Lake, and it's known for their clear water lake, and at Riding Mountain National Park. And today, right now, we are going to find the place to eat for picnic lunch once again. And what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna go swimming, maybe hiking, and we're gonna go kayaking. I'm super duper excited.
All right, this been 6 years since I've came here to
6 years?
Wasagaming, so hopefully today will be a fun day today. And guys,
So I was 3 the last time we came here.
yeah, so guys, let's have fun at Clear Lake. We got some picnic lunch, guys. We got sushi and barbecue pizza. Last time we usually bring sisig and barbecue, but this time we got sushi and pizza. But at least it's barbecue except pizza. So we're gonna have it. We're gonna have it. We bought this yesterday at Pizza Hut.
I got a cheese pizza.
I like the sweetness here, but there's stuffed crust, so not the freshest.
But it's so yummy. Pizza's yummy all the time.
But at least Papa John is better though. And then we got some tempura sushi. I don't even know what flavor is this.
Comment if you guys like pizza.
And it's from Sushi One.
I don't like sushi one.
We're gonna give this a taste. Oh yeah, I think I had that wasabi in there.
It's a little spicy then,
Yeah, I know it's hard to eat here.
but the food's so good.
Yeah, and we got some seaweed here,
But
wrapped.
sometimes it could be a little cold.
Yeah. I didn't have that raw. I think like poke in there, or like raw fish in there. And then look at that, creamy and spicy. I can feel it from that last one. I don't even know what flavor they got here. I think they put mayo. It's like mayo in there. I think it's a tempura shrimp sushi.
Hi!
Hi.
Yummy in my tummy.
Yummy in my tummy.
Me too!
We got nachos and my uncle's homemade chili con carne sauce.
Is it good?
Not spicy, not too spicy, but it's like mild. Hey guys, we're at the kayak and look at the water. Yo! Look at me! I'm in the water. Can you hear me? I'm swimming and I'm done kayaking. It was hard to kayak because of the wave and the wind. But the water is pretty cool and nice. And look at that calm wave in there. Alright, just done swimming and kayaking. So look at that. And it's kind of wavy and cold, but as you get far, it's clean and warmer. And it's not the cleanest water like used to be like 6 years ago. And some of it will be filmed on this GoPro. It's called Allure Tech action camera. So stay tuned for that. So make sure you watch that part in here. And yeah, look at that crowd in the beach on a weekend. There you go. Oh my god, look at that view of Clear Lake. So today we decide to rent a paddle boat, except it was too windy today, so we decided to kayak instead. Except, again, it's really hard to kayak since the waves keep pushing us back, and it's hard to push the paddles. My hands are tiring, and I was sweating a lot. And we were in the middle of the lake. We almost passed the cone, the white cone. And today we might decide to have ice cream at the Boardwalk in Wasagaming and maybe beaver tail. So yeah. Louder. Alright, we're at the Boardwalk, one of the most popular ice cream in Wasagaming. A lot of lines. And then I got the medium pistachio almond ice cream, hard. And we're gonna give this a taste, guys. Mmm.
This is birthday cake. Rainbow.
Sweet.
I got floats.
Creamy.
Have a float.
Yeah, beer float, Coke float.
I always like to drink and eat floats.
Alright. Yeah. This costs like $4.
So it's not that expensive.
Yeah, a lot of flavors to get in there. And not just an ice cream shop, but there's a place to eat there and then a gift shop. Cheers. That'll be it for today's video. It was a fun day at Clear Lake. Like, there's a lot of things to do. You can go in the museum, you can go swimming, you can go kayaking, or you can do anything, whatever you want in there. And basically we did is picnic lunch in there, and then kayak and swimming. And it was pretty hard to kayak because it was windy and the waves were too strong. So it was hard to paddle. And we were trying to rent a paddle boat, except It was sold out because of the windy conditions. And then you can get like really good ice cream in there called the Boardwalk. It's kind of packed in there, but you should get that. Like if you're in Wasagaming, if you want ice cream, go get that ice cream give them a try. Keep in mind there's a lot of tourists there, especially on the weekends, so always keep your social distance as always, and wear your mask. And it's been 6 years that I haven't been in Clear Lake, so something changed. So the water isn't clear as it used to be, and some buildings changed in there. And yeah, but anyway guys, if you do enjoy the video, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, share, and comment for any suggestions. And guys, see you guys next video. Bye.